my goodness. Oh my goodness. Unreal news. Brazil markets pumping. Ladies and gentlemen, it's John Taylor. I'm on my news desk and trading desk. Today is Wednesday, January 28th, 2026. Incredible news. Check it out. Give me a like and a share, and please subscribe to my channel. So, the news reel today is just unreal. Oh my goodness, so much abundance, it's outrageous. S&P 500, crude oil. Stay with me to the end. I give you a free alpha, and I kind of give you my trading plan, not financial advice, but stocks rally on AI spending optimism. AI trade is back. The VIX is up. Crude oil's up 1%. The S&P, look, new all-time high. Silver's pumping again. Ba-boom. Just incredible news to go over. And I want to welcome all my new X on Twitter viewers. Getting a lot of new subscribers on Twitter, and then new subscribers on YouTube also. I post on both platforms. So let's take a look at this. We have, the news, looking at the economic calendar today and see what's going on with that first, and then weekly economic reports, Fed speak, Chicago Business Barometer, the PMI. So this is not much, we got 2 o'clock, you can't fight the Fed. So we got FOMC interest rate decision, and then Fed Chair Powell the press conference. So it's interesting times on interest rates and the U.S.Dollar. Is the Fed going to lower interest rates and then save the day, and then the stock market pumps to new all-time highs and continues? So that's the news, for the day, Fed decision day. So Nvidia's pumping up 1.5%, Micron Technologies up 5%, Tesla active up 0.5%, SanDisk up 6%, Intel, you're welcome on Intel. I'm not a financial advisor, I just give free opinion only. Intel's up 10%, and then ASML's active. Again, stocks rally on the AI spending optimism. Let's see, Wall Street drifts around its record, and the dollar value stabilizes. So the dollar's had a big dip here. So holidays and viral beer cup drive strong quarterly sale. Bear cup, not beer, sorry, it's Starbucks. Microsoft new chip, the new Maya 2000 AI chip. Wow, MSFT's active with all of its artificial intelligence. Micron Technologies, looking for a price target on MU. Man. Fortnite stocks, Wall Street bullish or bearish on Fortnite. Man, Microsoft launches new chip. So, Microsoft's in the game for artificial intelligence, and then RTX Corporation. So this is what we have. The chart of the day is Seagate Technologies, STX, new all-time high on Seagate Technologies. All right, so I go over geopolitics and then socioeconomics. Then I give a trading plan for myself. S&P minis and NASDAQ up nicely. Dow futures up 4 points. The VIX at 18.75. The Dixies up at 96.30. Man, the 10-year, got to watch the yield, 111-200. Crude oil up half, about 50 cents at 62.90. Nat gas at 3.85. Gold up $188 to 5,270. Silver's back again, pumping up about 8 to 10 points today at 113. So this is what we have. Coffee's off $14. So this is what we have. Cocoa, is cocoa oversold? I'm not a commodity trading advisor, but man, the stocks that are active: Nvidia, Micron Technologies, Tesla, SanDisk again, Intel pumps, ASML, United Healthcare is doing better today, Microsoft, and the STX, Seagate Technologies, and Meta Platforms. Seagate Technology breakout, never too high to buy on the breakout trade. So that's what we have on bar chart. Running about 5 minutes, going to do probably a shorter video today. Let's look at Yahoo Finance. A lot of it's the same news, but I like to look at both platforms. Now stay with me to the end. I give you my trading plan. It's not financial advice, it's just opinion. S&P 500 crosses 7,000 with Fed and big tech on deck. The Magnificent Seven report, and then the Fed speak, and gold hits a record at 5,300 after Trump's dollar comment. So Fed set to hold rates as tensions grip Powell's final months. Starbucks jumps. Starfluffs, ASML soars to record. Blockbuster order. Oil hits a fresh month high, so oil's catching a bid. Dollar sinks to a 4-year low. SpaceX June IPO timed. Man, my goodness. The news, I get totally dialed in with the geopolitics and socioeconomics. Oh, man. Reuters news and German search Deutsche Bank. News on Deutsche Bank against France finance minister. My God, it's just incredible. Rates are still under 6%. Mortgage lenders with best rates, and AI infrastructure boom shows no signs of slowing down. NVIDIA and ASML. Trump wants to be very careful in Fed chair pick. So that's from Besson. So a lot of news, boy. We got the politics are heating up, the election, all this news. Now let's look at the news here on CNN real quick. I like Wolf Street also too. They do a lot of good alternative media. So Yahoo Finance. Intel pump. I sold some puts on Intel, and then the stock now pumped up 10%. So that trade's looking good. Brazil. I sold some Brazil ETF, EWZ, that I purchased 2 years ago on the price retracement. It's 100% strong purchase trend now. So I'm selling into that strength. So this is incredible news here let's see the stock trending tickers. Starbucks, Bitcoin's been pumping, AT&T's up 5%, GE Vernova, my goodness. Top gainers, Nova Gold, EDU, Intel's up. So that's what we have on the stocks, it's exciting times that we're in. So let's look at CNN. Stay with me to the end. I give you free alpha on my trading plan. So let's take a look at this. Trump issues warning to Minneapolis mayor, shifting his tone. A lot of news with ICE. Okay, my goodness. Rubio says he has short-term to help Venezuela government, and my goodness. Fed to deliver first interest rate decision of the year. Pressure from Trump. Trump wants interest rates lower. And you got a weather cyclone and everything. So leave the comments below, and I'm getting a lot of new subscribers again, like I was saying, on Amazon, not on Amazon, on Twitter and on X, and then also on YouTube. So this is what we have on the CNN news, and looking at Fox. I stay politically neutral, looking at on the left and the right. So let's see what's being reported on Fox News. Happening now. Secretary Rubio says Venezuela was working with Iran. A deal with the devil. So Border Patrol news and latest protests in America, and Iowa stops Trump at restaurant and requests speech, and Trump's in Iowa, the Iowa caucus. A lot of news, some of it's not PC, so I can't even report on it. So that's what we have there. So let's look at the trading plan. All right, so I sold some EWZ ETF today that I purchased 2 years ago. The Brazil market, if you remember, it was tanking, sell first, ask questions later, 100% strong downtrend on the dip. So I backed the truck up and was purchasing Brazil. And now today I sold some of my Brazil EWZ ETF for a huge percentage profit. So again, Bitcoin's looking good, SPY, dollar. So here's my trading plan. Dollar cost average Bitcoin, SPY ETF, DCA it, BKCH, nice pump on that recently, DCA, BKCH, block, BLOK, and then ETH, ETHE. So that's what we have. We kind of sit tight and wait for 2 o'clock and for the interest rates. Run at about 10 minutes, going to do a short video today. So it's just incredible news. You know, I don't run commercials on my channel, but I do pen ebooks, so you can read the link below. So I will talk to you real quickly about a book that I recently penned here. Yesterday was AI Green Energy. So today's book that I penned recently was AI, the Artificial Intelligence Business Writing course. I've done business writing for 40 years. So I've published a book on Amazon Kindle that you can read for free. It helps support my channel, AI, Artificial Intelligence Business Writing course. You can check out the links below, and you can read it for free on Amazon Kindle. So that's what I have, people. You know, the markets are exciting. We got an armada or flotilla of warships in the Persian Gulf, Iran. Got to pray for the people of Iran. What a scenario. So that's what I have. Run a short video. I say this every day. I give thanks for my abundant supply, now manifested. I have it now. It's John Taylor on this news desk and trading desk. Have a great day. See my new Bentley hat? Check it out. Man, have an awesome, great day, everyone. And please like and share, and let's get the word out. Thanks.